It's not rocket science.
Hey, kiddos, guess what? I've got a surprise for you.
What is it, Dad?
What did you make? Yeah, Dad, we're so curious.
Tada, look what I made for you guys.
Popcorn. Awesome, thanks, Dad.
Wow, Dad, you're the best. Popcorn is my favorite.
Hey, stop. Well, I thought we could all enjoy a movie night together. How does that sound?
Sounds perfect.
Hey, kids, your mom's out of town tonight. How about we cook dinner together?
Cook dinner? Dad, are you sure about this?
Yeah, Dad, I've never really cooked before. Mom always handles that.
Well, you know what they say, it's not rocket science. We can start with something simple. How about pasta with a basic tomato sauce?
Pasta sounds good, and I guess we can handle a simple sauce.
Alright, but I might need some help with chopping and stuff. Son, can you fill a pot with water and put it on the stove?
Sure thing, Dad.
And what do I do with these tomatoes?
Great question, sweetheart. First, wash the tomatoes and let's get them ready for the sauce. We'll show you how to chop them up. I'm glad you like it, kids.
Dad, let's pick a movie and dig into this popcorn.
I can't wait, Dad. You're the coolest. Now, let's make some great memories together tonight.
Selling like hotcakes.
Hey there! How's everything going with your new business venture? Oh, it's been incredible. Our handmade candles are selling like hotcakes. That's awesome to hear. What do you think is making them so popular? I think it's a mix of the unique scents we offer and the eco-friendly packaging. That's smart branding. People really appreciate the quality and our commitment to the environment. Have you thought about expanding your product line? Definitely. We're planning to introduce some new scents and maybe even branching out into natural soaps. I can't wait to see what you come up with next. Keep up the great work. And if you ever need some relaxing aromatherapy, you know where to find me.
Sure. Bone to pick. Hi, Emma. Do you have a bone to pick with me?
Well, actually, I do. I noticed you borrowed my laptop without asking yesterday, and I'm not too happy about it.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that. I needed it for a quick project. And I didn't think it would be a big deal. My bad.
Oh dear. It's not just about the laptop, it's about asking for permission. Next time, please just let me know and I'll be happy to lend it to you.
All right, sister. You inspire me.
Hey Jessica, it's been ages since we last met. How have you been?
I've been good, thanks.
You look fantastic, by the way. You inspire me.
Thank you so much, Emma. You're too kind.
You look absolutely stunning after having your baby. I'm struggling with my weight since my post-delivery period. None of my old dresses fit me anymore.
I can totally relate to the post-pregnancy weight struggles.
I'm curious to know your secret.
I've been doing a mix of cardio and strength training. I love to do water aerobics. It keeps my mind cool. It can be a lot of fun when you have a workout buddy.
That sounds great. I could use the motivation. I've been meaning to get back into exercise.
Absolutely. Start slow and find activities you enjoy.
It could be dancing, hiking, or even just a daily walk. I'll definitely give it a try. Sometimes I feel like cravings. I can't control myself. How do you manage that?
Well, I've been snacking on fruits like apples, berries, or even some sliced bananas with a bit of peanut butter. They satisfy my sweet tooth while providing some nutrients.
Thanks, Jessica, for sharing your experience and being so understanding.
Of course, Emma. You're definitely not alone, and I'm here for you every step of the way. A bad day. Hey, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ladies. Ready to tackle another day?
I swear these laundry piles multiply overnight.
By the way, Nancy, your omelet was amazing last night.
Thanks, Emma. Glad you liked it.
Hey, roomies. It's my turn to make breakfast today. Any preferences?
Jane, I could go for a nice fruit bowl with some yogurt. Something light and refreshing.
Hey there. I'm in the mood for a cheesy omelette, maybe with some bell peppers and onions.
Okay. I have a presentation later, so I need something simple to prepare. How about we compromise? I can make scrambled eggs with some cheese, and we can also have some fresh fruit on the side.
That sounds great, Jane. Works for me too.
It's simple enough and still has some of the things we all want.
Thanks for being considerate.
We need some more plants in the living room, don't you think?
Totally agree, Nancy. It'll give our apartment that cozy vibe.
Let's check out the plant store this weekend.
Did either of you see my blue scarf? I can't find it anywhere.
Not sure about the scarf, Nancy.
Did you check the coat rack?
Yeah, maybe it got mixed up with our coats.
Oh, thanks for catching that. So, any big plans for today, ladies?
Well, I've got that big presentation at work, so I'll be in meetings all day.
Same here, I've got that client meeting at 10. Gotta prepare my pitch.
Lucky you both. I'm on the late shift today. Have a great day, you too. Hey, you guys won't believe the day I had at work.
Really, Jane? You too? I thought it was just me.
Oh no, not you guys too. I had a rough one in the skies as well.
Well, let's start with me. My code crashed right before an important presentation. I had to redo everything in a rush, and my boss wasn't too pleased. Ouch, that sounds stressful. My day was no better. Hey, have you heard about the Talk APT application launch happening today?
Yeah, I've been keeping an eye on it.
The demos looked pretty promising too.
I agree. It could have been a game changer for productivity.
Absolutely, I've heard it's going to revolutionize the way. Well, it's a shame things didn't go as planned.
What happened?
The launch was a complete disaster. The app crashed within minutes of going live, and people started reporting serious bugs and security issues.
Oh no, that's terrible. As for me, we hit some turbulence during the flight, and a passenger got sick. Cleaning up was not fun at all.
Well, it looks like we all had our share of bad luck today.
You know what they say, misery loves company.
So true. At least we can vent to each other. Absolutely. And hey, we've got the weekend ahead.
Let's make plans to relax and unwind.
Yes, please. A movie night or a little shopping therapy, perhaps?
It sounds like just what we need to shake off this bad day.
To better days ahead. Cheers!
Thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 2 Minute English channel for more videos.